The 24 solar terms are divided based on the sun's position on the ecliptic, with the spring equinox as the starting point and each 15 degrees representing one solar term. The dance of Earth and Sun, 24 solar terms, and the sun's position. The relationship between the Chinese 24 solar terms and the sun's position is a harmonious dance orchestrated by the Earth's movement around our nearest star. Each solar term corresponds to a specific point in the Earth's orbit, reflecting the changing angle of sunlight and the resulting shifts in seasons and daylight hours. Equinoxes and solstices, the cornerstones. Spring equinox and autumn equinox, these mark the moments when the sun is directly above the equator, resulting in equal day and night across the globe. They signal the transition from winter to spring and summer to autumn, respectively. The summer solstice, it marks the day when the sun reaches its northernmost point in the sky, shining directly on the Tropic of Cancer. This brings the longest day and shortest night of the year to the northern hemisphere, signifying the peak of summer. It's also the time when shadows cast by objects on the ground are at their shortest. The winter solstice, it marks the day when the sun reaches its southernmost point in the sky, with its rays directly hitting the Tropic of Capricorn. This results in the shortest day and longest night of the year for the northern hemisphere, signifying the peak of winter. It's also the time when shadows cast by objects on the ground are at their longest. Solar terms and the sun's journey. As Earth continues its orbital journey around the sun, the angle at which sunlight strikes our planet also changes, leading to variations in the length of daylight hours and fluctuations in ground temperatures. Each solar term represents a specific stage in this journey, highlighting significant shifts in the sun's position and the resulting impact on the natural world. For instance, Grain Rain, Guyu, is the sixth solar term of the traditional Chinese calendar, falling around April 20th each year. As its name implies, this period marks a time of increasing rainfall, crucial for the growth of crops, particularly grains. Slight heat, known as xiaoshu in Chinese, is the 11th solar term in the traditional Chinese calendar, typically falling around July 7th each year. It marks the beginning of the hottest period of the year, with temperatures steadily rising and days becoming longer. White dew, known as bailu in Chinese, is the 15th solar term in the traditional Chinese calendar, typically occurring around September 8th each year. It signifies the transition from summer to autumn, bringing cooler temperatures and a sense of serenity to the natural world. Light snow, known as xiaoshuet in Chinese, is the 20th solar term in the traditional Chinese calendar, typically occurring around November 22nd each year. As its name suggests, this period marks the beginning of winter's arrival, with occasional light snowfall and a noticeable drop in temperatures. Understanding the sun's influence. By observing the sun's position and its impact on the environment, the ancient Chinese developed the 24 solar terms as a way to track time, plan agricultural activities, and maintain harmony with nature. This system reflects a deep understanding of the intricate relationship between the Earth and the sun, demonstrating how the sun's energy shapes our seasons, ecosystems, and ultimately, our lives. Beyond the science. The connection between the 24 solar terms and the sun's position goes beyond scientific observation. It reflects a cultural reverence for the sun as a life-giving force and a symbol of balance and harmony. The solar terms remind us of our place within the cosmos and the interconnectedness of all living things.